Hello, I'm Angelica Miguel and this is my video report for Activity 2, the game framework, game essential libraries, and game project setup. And first is the game framework. A game framework is like a toolbox for making games. It helps organize and build games by providing tools for graphics, game rules, and player interaction. And game framework is a set of tools, libraries, and conventions that provide a structure for a developing games. It typically includes functionalities such as rendering graphics, managing game states, and handling input and implementing game logic. While a game engine provides a more comprehensive suite of tools, a game framework often offers more flexibility and control over the development process. An example include Pacer.js and Paygame and libgdx. Here are sample the game frame the game framework is the Pacer.js is a popular HTML5 game framework that allows developers to create 2D games for web browser. It provides a rich set of features for handling graphics, physics, input, sounds, and more, making it ideal for both casual and more advanced game development. And the next is the Game Essential Libraries. These are basic tools needed for making games like drawing graphics, playing sounds, and handling player input. Then, game essential libraries or modules that provide fundamental functionalities required for a game development. This may include graphics libraries for rendering images and animations, audio libraries for playing sounds and music. Input libraries are handling user input from keyboard, mice or controllers, and math libraries for performing calculation related to physics, collisions, and transformation. And this is the example. Essential libraries include SDL or Simple Direct Media Layer for handling media, OpenGL for rendering graphics, and the Box 2D for 2D physics simulation. So here are example, the SDL or Simple Direct Media Layer. SDL is a cross-platform development library designed to provide low-level access to hardware components like graphics, audio, and input devices. It's widely used in a game development to create multimedia-rich application with support for various platforms including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, iOS, and Android. And next is the game project setup. The game project setup, setting up a game project means getting everything ready to start making a game. This includes making folders for different parts of the game, setting up tools like Git of teamwork, and making sure everything works smoothly together. For example, in Unity, you'd create a new project, set up folders, and improve any extras you need. In Pacer.js, you'd set up your project structure, install what you need, and make sure it all works. Then, setting up a game project involves creating a necessary structure and configuration to start development. This typically includes creating video folders to organize different types of assets, such as a script, graphics, audio files. Setting up version control with tools like Git, configuring build setting for target platform, and integrating necessary libraries or frameworks into a project. Then setting up development environment with appropriate IDEs for text editors and configuring project specific settings such as screen resolution, input mappings, and debugging option are also part of the setup process. Then, so the example of this is the Unity project setup. When starting a new Unity project, you would use the Unity Hub to create a new project. Select desired project settings such as 2D or 3D, default resolution, or etc. and set up version control if needed. Then you would organize your project folders for script, scenes, prefabs, assets, and other resources. And this is my report for activity 3. Thank you.